The perfect cup of coffee awakens all the senses. Introducing True Brew by DeLonghi, a revolutionary automatic drip coffee machine that brews fresh coffee from whole coffee beans with the touch of a button. As it begins, the aroma of freshly ground coffee fills the air. The conical burr grinder creates a precise grind. Then, bean extract technology doses and brews to perfection. Personalized to your taste with 6 brew sizes and 5 styles, like light, bold, and over ice. True Brew crafts your perfect cup and leaves you with a simple, mess-free, waste-free cleanup. Transform your at-home coffee experience with True Brew. DeLonghi, coffee from bean to cup.
longhi, all-in-one combination coffee maker. No waiting time with dual heating system. Italian 15-bar pressure pump. Allows you to brew coffee and espresso simultaneously. Enjoy intuitive and enhanced experience with digital touchscreen and wake up to freshly brewed coffee with a digital timer. Experience authentic espressos brewed at the optimal pressure for rich flavor. Advanced steam wand. Choose microfoam setting to steam milk for lattes or treat yourself to authentic cappuccinos with cappuccino setting. Customize your preference of flavor and aroma for a rich yet smooth coffee experience.